I did not come from money. So when I had a little bit of money coming to my way, I made all the money mistakes. My bad money habits were keeping me under the poverty line. I learned the hard way that I need to make these habits work in my favor to get me out of the poverty line. The truth is, in 2022 alone, 11.5% of the American people made it to the official poverty census. That's almost 38 million people. So in this video, I'll go over 13 money habits that got me out of the poverty line. Stick around till the end for the habit that's not only bad, but also might be a pain in the... Well, I spent years being a part of these statistics until I could finally take a deep breath and enjoy a more comfortable life. How? With hard work. Taking advantage of the opportunities that crossed my way and getting rid of all the bad habits that were draining my money. And guess what? I'm gonna spill all the beans that got me out of the poverty statistics for good. Let's jump into number 1, types of budgeting. Navigating the budgeting landscape is like choosing your favorite ice cream flavor, full of options tailored to your financial goals. Explore various approaches like traditional budgeting, 50-30-20 budget, goal-based budget, and the rebellious anti-budget method. Each offers a unique flavor to manage expenses, bolster savings, and handle debt with a personalized touch. The traditional budget subtracts expenses from income, allowing more flexibility. On the other hand, the spending kind budget sets a monthly expenditure limit, illustrated by practical example. There's absolutely no one-size-fits-all budget. Whatever works for you is the best way. Just because it works for one person doesn't mean it's going to work for you. Share your preferred budgeting style in the comment section below. The 50-30-20 rule, the budgeting gem that has found a special spot in many hearts, including mine. Picture this, a $3,500 after-tax monthly income with 50%, which is $1,750, allocated to essentials like rent, utilities, and groceries. The remaining $1,050 dances into discretionary expenses, while a smart investor, $700 would head towards his retirement and savings. Consistency became my financial mantra, tweaking my budget as I was evolving professionally. Focus on goals instead of wishes. Shifting from wishes to goals might sound like a buzzkill, but trust me, it's worth it. Instead of abandoning dreams, which I'll never ask you to do, I discovered the power of prioritizing through savvy planning. Effective goal setting and financial planning work hand in hand. What's the key to reaching my goals, you ask? Specific and measurable planning. Vague wishes lack the clarity needed for success. Successful folks set concrete goals. 70% of the wealthy tackles at least one major goal annually. When paying off my debt, detailed planning was my lifeline. Calculating the debt, monthly cash flow, and additional funds for timely clearance required sacrifice. I had to say goodbye to hanging out with a lot of friends, rad Metallica concert, automatic payments. Another habit that makes my life a lot easier and saves me not only money but also time is automatic payments. Seriously guys, in today's day and age, automatic finances are simply lifesavers. With user-friendly finance apps, tasks like automatic savings and debt repayment seamlessly integrate into our lives. It's a behavioral boost more likely to stick to when it's done automatically in the background. Do you remember when was the last time you had to stop at an ATM to withdraw money to buy groceries? I don't. Scheduling monthly payments for loans or credit card debt becomes effortless and stress-free. Also, it will protect you from those hefty fees. Investing. Now, we all want to invest. When studying the world of investing, I realized that it's crucial to map out a plan. I asked myself how much I can invest. What's my comfort zone for potential losses? What's the end game for the investment? And how long am I playing this game? Understanding my risk tolerance was the key. Many first-time investors think they are loss tolerant until faced with a declining market. Investing bit by bit often outshines a hefty lump sum, as proven by pros favoring regular contribution over one-time splurges. Early and consistent investment let compounding work its magic. I took a leap of faith and decided to reinvest my returns. Historical stats vouch for the wonders of reinvesting dividends, boosting a long-term return. Speaking of long-term return, hi, my name is Tasvir Mirza. I'm a realtor and a diversified investor, and on this channel, I make finance-related videos for bad habits. If you like this video so far, click the like button below. Sweat equity. Ever stumble upon the term sweat equity? As a real estate enthusiast, spotting characters navigating the property world like in Instant Family or the bone-chilling The Haunting of Hill House adds an extra thrill. Yes, I was looking for real estate deals in horror movies. In these tales, the parents tackle home projects epitomizing sweat equity. It's about boosting a project's value through hard work, originally linked to physical labor, mental acumen, and investing time. It's a game changer in real estate. Homeowners can trim costs by investing their sweat equity, a DIY project approach that can yield profit. You can also invest sweat equity in other businesses if you truly believe in it. And by the way, unfortunately, the Karen family in The Haunting of a Hill House found out it's not always a smooth ride. Passive income. How can you make a finance video without passive income? It isn't a magic trick. As retired hedge fund manager Todd Trisder explains, it's about front-loading your effort, whether it's selling a product online or an ebook or illustrations, or even maintaining a rental property. There's work involved, but in advance. This can be a big commitment, but the payoff adds a layer of financial security, saving for emergencies. Arriving in this country with absolutely nothing taught me the value of financial safety nets. I have learned the hard way that life throws unexpected curveballs. That's why I stress having several months of living expenses stashed away. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. It's like an insurance policy you pay yourself, ready for quick access at the time of need. The recent pandemic highlighted the importance of it. Nearly 40% dipped into their emergency funds. When the unexpected hits, having a financial cushion means not just surviving, but despite life's surprises. Let me know in the comment section below if you had an emergency covered thanks to emergency savings, and don't forget to show some love by liking this video. Overcome procrastination. Defeating procrastination was a game changer for me in building a positive relationship with my finances. Recognizes its impact on quality and relationships, I started embracing new habits. Daily to-do list became my roadmap. Aiming a 70% completion rate, a daily 5 technique helped me focus on crucial tasks for major goals. Setting artificial deadlines added a fun twist, encouraging early finishes. The do it now affirmation became my self-nudging mantra, repeating until I tackled tasks. Changing habits wasn't easy, and I still fail from time to time, but these strategies transformed my approach, proving instrumental in achieving financial comfort. Network even when you're in your underwear. The pandemic took us by surprise and locked us inside, making socializing and networking almost impossible for a while. But we are resourceful people, right? The home office became our working stations and the internet became our social world, basically. That's where the magic of networking happened to me during lockdown, and it still is today. Networking isn't just about swapping information. It's about forging lasting connections for mutual growth, even in your home office, in your underwear. No, I'm the only one who does that. You see, building relationship is key. The saying, "No man is an island," rings true. Collective effort propels professional success. Successful individuals attribute their careers to strong networks. The key? Choose connections wisely, focusing on mutual contributions. My networking journey brought me visibility, fresh opportunities, heightened creativity, support from high-profile figures, elevated status, and lasting relationships. Networking transcends casual exchanges. It's a strategic investment in your future filled with financial comfort. And by the way, let me know in the comment section below if I'm the only one that works from home in my underwear. And to find out the follow-up on that, join the community by subscribing below. Changing mindset. No amount of work would take me to a comfortable place financially until I began to change my attitude and my mindset. My financial journey will have to go beyond just income, plans, and investments. It's all about a mindset. A positive outlook won't magically fix everything, but it sets the stage for action. A hopeful financial mindset breeds productivity, habits, and better connections with your money. Being real about your impulses is key. We're all a bit messy sometimes. Crafting an overly strict budget might backfire, much like a too rigid diet. Deprivation can lead to impulsive decisions and abandoning our financial goals. Recognizing your vices, finding a balanced approach, and treating yourself occasionally is vital for a healthy financial mindset. So embrace your journey and sprinkle it with well-deserved rewards. Less screen time. This habit is literally a pain in the... Don't beep, I just said neg. I know I did. Reducing screen time may seem challenging, given the multitude of devices we engage with daily. From phones to smartwatches, the hours spent gazing at screens accumulates. However, embracing this habit opens door to self-investments. Examining my habits prompted crucial questions. Successful individuals allocate time wisely, with 2/3 spending less than an hour on TV. Purposeful activities like personal growth or networking replaces excessive screen uses. Mental and emotional health. Last but not least, taking my mental health seriously really changed my life, even beyond the financial aspect. A comprehensive financial plan not only eases stress, but fosters optimism about what lies ahead. It acts as a meaningful guide, reducing money-related worries with a plan. Setbacks becomes a stepping stone. According to a recent survey, 83% of those with a written financial plan reported enhanced financial well-being within a year. Beyond finances, improving one aspect of life ripples positive effects on others. So nurturing your emotional and mental health isn't just self-care, it's a savvy investment in your overall well-being. If you want to know the specific mistakes with money that I've made, watch this video here. Thanks for hanging out with me. See you in the next video. I realize it's crucial